Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to have you here today. So we have been on this series where we're talking about how to start a YouTube channel in this year 2025. So if you've made up your mind to start up your channel and you don't know what to do or how to go about it, this series is dedicated to you. So I made it a series because I wanted where I'll be very detailed. So I took it a topic at a time so that I'll be very detailed with everything you need to start. So when you're starting, you're not confused, you know exactly what you're doing. So that's why I broke everything down, all these videos down into a series. So I've created 2 videos so far. The first one I shared everything you need to start. The second one I talked about how you would create engaging videos. So I'm going to be leaving the link to these videos in the description box below so you can go and watch them so you know exactly what to do. Now, the last video on this series, I'm going to be answering questions because so far I have a lot of questions. So if you have any questions you'd like me to answer, you can as well just drop them in the comment section or go over to my Instagram page and leave me a DM asking your questions. Today we're going to be talking about how to shoot your sewing videos with your natural light and your tripod or whatever it is, your phone stand, anything you have that you can use. How to use these 2 things to shoot your sewing videos. Now let's go to the sewing table. Let's go. So let's quickly talk about your natural light. Your natural light simply means your daylight, like morning, afternoon, or evening, when everywhere is very bright. So that's your natural light. And this is the kind of light that, of course, you don't need money for it, so it's free. If you don't have a ring light or you are just starting basic and you don't want to buy stuff, shooting with natural light is the best thing for you. Like I said before, I use it for a very long time. Now, one thing you need to avoid or something you have to avoid when shooting with your natural light is to shoot directly under the sun. When it's sunny, do not shoot directly under the sun, right? Because it will make your whatever it is you are showing too exposed and it will not come out so well. So the best time I will advise or suggest whenever you want to shoot your sewing tutorials should be like in the morning from 10, let's say 10 to 12, 1, depending on how bright or how sunny the day is going to be. So cool evenings or early in the morning when everywhere is bright enough, it's a lovely time to actually shoot your videos. Now, so that's your natural light. Another thing I have to chip in is how you place your cameras when shooting your videos. As you can see here, it should be your window first or your door, then the camera, either you're using a tripod or anything as a stand, the camera, then what you are shooting, right? It should be in that order. So if you want to go the other way, so this is me. Okay, this is my tripod or my phone. This is me, and this is my window. You see how unclear this is. So me standing this way, my phone, me and the window or the door. You see how unclear it is. For the other way around, you can see how easy this is. Me, my tripod on my phone, and the window or your door. So in a nutshell is that you should be facing the either your door or your window directly when shooting. You shouldn't be the other way around. Do not back it. Face your window or your door directly. But if you are going to be shooting outside, which that's what I really do, my table is outside. If that's what you're going to be doing, so yeah, it's another ball game. So you don't need to be conscious of your window or your door. So we are just going to go and talk about that. Let's talk about different ways you can place your phone camera so that you can always get good and engaging shots. Remember I said in one of the videos on this series that how you create your videos will determine if your subscribers will keep coming back to watch your videos. Now what I'm doing currently is placing my camera by my side, so you can either put it by your side or at your front, what you are doing with this shot is trying to show your full self. Like, assuming you are creating the video, you also want your subscribers or your audience to see you. You are talking to them while you are creating the video. You want to show your face and all that. Show your face as you are walking or you are cutting. This is what this shot is good for you. All you need to do is just place your camera in front of you or by your side, where it can show what you are doing, at the same time show your face. So this kind of shot helps to build connection if you want your audience to just see you and know the face behind the channel, see you talk and everything. So you just gist and all that stuff like that, if you prefer that. For this second shot, I'm placing my camera behind me, not directly behind me, but just close to my right shoulder, not directly behind me, but close to my right shoulder. So what I'm doing here, if you can just watch the video, you'll see it. So you are seeing everything I'm doing. So assuming this is what we are doing, like you're teaching your audience how to cut something or something, so they can follow through this way also, because they are just like they are there with you, seeing everything you are doing. So this kind of shot also is so detailed. It shows everything you are doing. How I place this camera, like I said before, is just at my shoulder, as if it's at the back, but not really at the back. I'm squatting now, so you get to see how it is. It's just like at my back, but beside me again at the shoulder. I just hope this is clear enough. But please, if it's not clear, let me know. I'll look for how to come back and talk about it so you really get it. Let me know. Thank you. So let's move to the next one, which is actually my favorite and my preferred method, because I feel that method just captures exactly what I'm doing. There's no too much talk, or it just shows my audience exactly what I'm doing, and I'm concentrating on why they are there to learn in the first place, to learn how to cut or to do that thing. So this is the shot. Now, this is supposed to be directly at my front. The camera, let's assume the camera is directly at my front, and you have my table in the middle, and I'll be staying behind the table. Now my table currently is made in a way that I can't move it. So it's quite difficult for me to move and show you exactly what I'm talking about here. But so I'm trying to explain it. So this is my camera directly at my front. And also you can see I'm bending my camera slightly so that it will be taking this shot from the top, not from the side or from the shoulder angle. This time it will shoot my shot from the top. I'm going to attach a clip of my videos, so that my sewing videos, so that you really understand it. So like I said before, this should be what I was discussing with you about, you standing in front of the window or the door. So it will be your window or your door, your phone, your camera, and your what you are doing. All right, so that is it. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is always clean your lens, your camera lens. You know, your phone's out, you put your phone somewhere on the table, in the bag, and everything is always dirty. So, before you shoot, the first thing you want to do is clean your camera lens. Clean it. It will always tell the difference between the shot. If you use a dirty camera lens, it will show, and when you use a clean camera lens, it will show. So, if you want to get bright videos and everything, always clean your camera lens before you shoot your video. I hope you find this video helpful. Please do well to subscribe, turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss the next part of this series, where I'll be talking about how to edit your videos. Please let me know if you are following through with these steps, if it's making creating your sewing tutorials easy for you on YouTube. Let me know. I'd love to hear from you as well. So, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.